Okay, so today we'll cover this drawing. Okay, so that is the one elbow type pipe. From this to that distance is 160, and from this to that distance also 160. Okay, between two radius is R60. This one is 100. Okay, distance. This one is 10. This one is R3, means radius 3, and this is the chamfer 4 into 45. Okay, so go for here. So first, new part design here. Next, suppose choose here one line from the center. Okay, from this to that distance is 160. It's 160. Now suppose from this to this distance also 160. Okay, and now fillet it. Suppose select this one and select that one, and fillet radius is 60 here. Okay, so now this one is 60. Okay, so that is the path. Okay, and profile, suppose we will create first one plane here. Suppose go to the features, plane. Okay, select this point and select this line. So perpendicular plane created here. Select one point and select that line. So perpendicular plane created here, and select this plane and then go to the normal tool and sketch here. Suppose choose here one uh, circle which is suppose 60 is the diameter, so radius is 30. Okay, so here give it radius is 30. So now this one is 30, and then write it and then exit. Okay, so now go to the features option here, go to the features option and then sweep, select this circle and select this line. Okay, so that is the main thing. And on here thin features. Okay, on here thin features, and thickness is 6. Okay, thickness is 6 in the outside. Okay, not inside. Just show here, this one is 72 and this one is inner diameter is 60. So 72 minus 60, so that is the 12. So one side radius is 6. Okay, so now this one is 6 extra, so this one is right. So now pipe will be created here. Now select this face and then normal to. Okay, select this face and then normal to here. So now we can create here sketch. Suppose this circle is here 84 is the bigger diameter, and from this center to this center distance, this one is 120 total. Okay, this center point to this center point distance 120, radius is 20 and diameter also 20. So here, so now this one is diameter, so diameter is 84. So now this is the diameter. Now this one is a line here, choose here line. Suppose this is total line is 60, because total distance is 120, so 1/2 is 60. So here create one, radius is 20, and create another circle from center, this radius is 10. Okay, and then write it. Okay, so now we can create here tangent line. Okay, so that is the create here and select here. So that is the tangent line. We can create here tangent line, or by suppose selected as a sketch. Okay, this one is tangent snap is on. Okay, suppose click here and click here. So now these two are tangent. Okay, so from here you can on quick snap, on tangent snap. I'll show repeat. Okay, so suppose select this one. Okay, go to the tangent snap, select this circle and select that circle. So now these two are tangent. Okay, now also mirror it. Suppose create one line here. Okay, create one line here. Suppose select this one, press Ctrl, select this one and this one. Okay, then mirror entity. Suppose select this one. Okay, so that is the mirror. Okay, then trim it. Trim, power trim. Okay, so now this one is power trim. This one is power trim also. Okay, so now that is the power trim. Now we can create one circle here which is 30. Okay, 30 is the radius. Okay, so now that is completed. So this one is extra line, you should delete this one. Okay, so now create here exit, and then select this sketch from here and pad it. Okay, means extrude it. So now this one is extrude 10 millimeter. Okay, so that is a 10 millimeter extrude created here. Also similar drawing, select this one and then go to the normal to. Okay, this one is should be vertical. So here we can sketch one line from here. Okay, so that is one line, that is here 60. Okay, this one is 60. So create here one circle here, create here another circle here which is 20. Okay, and create here another circle here which is 10, and here this dimension should be 40, means 84. Okay, this one is 84. Now create line and on tangent snap, suppose select this one and select that one. So now this one is tangent. Also select this one and select that one. So now this one also tangent. Create one line here also. Okay, select this one, press Ctrl. Okay, select this and then mirror, select this one and this is the mirror. Okay, and write it. Now go to the trim option, power trim. Okay, so that is the power trim. This is not required. Okay, this one also not required, and this one also not required. Okay, and then write it. Now we can create one circle here. Okay, so that is one circle and write it. So now exit and select this sketch and extrude it. Okay, this is not possible because I think there have a mistake. Okay, so just go to here sketch. Okay, before trim, this one is not tangent. Okay, so okay, I'll delete this one. Suppose select this face and then sketch, select this face and sketch, create one line from here which is suppose which is suppose 60 from the center. Okay, and from this one, this is the 42. Now create here one circle which is 10, and create here another circle which is 20. Now create here one line that is tangent snap. Suppose select this one. Okay, so that is the tangent, and now also select this one and create line, and here on tangent snap. So suppose select this one and select this one. Okay, so mirror it with respect to this line. Press Ctrl, mirror all the lines with respect to mirror about this line. Okay, so that is the line main, and write it. Okay, so now I think it's clear. Trim, power trim. Okay, so I think it's clear. So now this one is right, this one should be deleted, and here create one circle which is 30. Okay, and then exit. So now suppose select this one and then go to the features option. So now this one is 10 millimeters. Okay, so here there have two 4 into 45 is the radius, 4 into 45 is the chamfer, and R3 is the radius. So here chamfer, this edge, okay, this edge and this edge. Okay, so here 4 into 45. So here give it here 4 and write it. So now these two are 4, and here fillet. Okay, fillet. So that is the R, this edge, and select this edge. Okay, so that is 5. Okay, so 5, not 5, this one is 3. By default is 5 is here. So now this one will become 3. So that is the radius. These two are the radius. Okay, so that is the completed figure. Okay, so this one is completed figure. Okay, so everyone practice as per your requirement.